We are InstaFire, and we are taking portable stove technology to the next level with our latest product, the Inferno. The Inferno is a biomass stove that is able to run on a wide range of fuels. The Inferno offers complete control with a variable speed USB-powered fan that increases airflow for cooking temperatures of up to 1500 degrees. Hot enough to boil 16 ounces of water in under 3 minutes. With the fan on low, the stove is perfect for slow cooking or heating up tortillas. Lightweight and portable, the Inferno makes a perfect addition to all of your adventures. The stove also works really well with InstaFire as an easy way to ignite any fuel you have to burn. It's been over a year since our first product, InstaFire, got the attention of the hit show Shark Tank.